हेलो दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है बैकबेंचर्स अ पाथ ऑफ लर्निंग में। दोस्तों, आज का हमारे इस वीडियो का टॉपिक है क्वेश्चंस ऑन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम। तो शुरू किया जाए। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु वाज फर्स्ट अटॉर्नी जनरल फॉर इंडिया। अटॉर्नी जनरल इंडियन गवर्नमेंट का चीफ लीगल एडवाइज़र होता है एंड ये प्राइमरीली लॉयर होता है सुप्रीम कोर्ट का। और अटॉर्नी जनरल अपॉइंटेड होता है प्रेसिडेंट के द्वारा ऑन एडवाइस ऑफ यूनियन कैबिनेट अंडर आर्टिकल 76(1) ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड होल्ड्स ऑफिस ड्यूरिंग द प्लेजर ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट। और इस चार ऑप्शंस में राइट आंसर है बी, MC सेतलवत was the first Attorney General for India। और दोस्तों, CK दफ्तरी was the second Attorney General for India and Niren De was third Attorney General for India and the LN Sinha was the fourth Attorney General for India। Second question, who presides over joint sitting of both houses of Parliament? The right answer is option C, Speaker of Lok Sabha। Third question, which of the states in North India have a common high courts? The right answer is option D, Punjab and Haryana। Fourth question, how many duties are provided under Part 4 of the Constitution? The right answer is option B, 11। Fifth question, who was the first Speaker of Lok Sabha? The right answer is option B, G.V. Mavalankar। Question number 6, the number of high courts in India? The right answer is option B, 25। Question number 7, the oldest high court in India? The right answer is Calcutta High Court। Question number 8, money bill can be introduced in the state legislature with the prior consent of the answer is option B, governor। Question number 9, who among the following was the first law minister of India? The right answer is option C, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar। Question number 10, how many members can be nominated to the Rajya Sabha by the president? The right answer is option B, 12 members can be nominated to the Rajya Sabha by the president। Question number 11, who is responsible for the registration of voters in India? The right answer is option D, Election Commission is responsible for the registration of voters in India। Question number 12, clemency of capital punishment is granted by? The right answer is President of India। Clemency is the process by which a governor or president or administrative body may reduce a defendant's sentence or grant a pardon। Clemency have been granted in death penalty cases for a variety of reasons। Question number 13, the official language of Supreme Court is? The right answer is option B, English is the official language of Supreme Court। Question number 14, a seat of a MP, Member of Parliament, can be declared vacant if he absents himself from the House for a continuous period of? The right answer is option B, 2 months। Question number 15, What is minimum duration of stay essential before a person can apply for citizen of India? The right answer is option A, 5 years. Question number 16. The ordinance issued by the governor are subjected to the approval by whom? The right answer is option A, state legislature. Question number 17. Who allocates portfolios among the ministers? The right answer is option A, the president on the recommendation of the prime minister. Question number 18. In India, right to vote is? The right answer is C, statutory right. In India, right to vote is statutory right. Question number 19. What is the minimum age to be appointed as the governor of a state in India? The right answer is 35 years. Question number 20. What is the name of the first Chief Justice of India? The right answer is option C, H. J. Kannaiah. Question number 21. In which year the age of voting as universal adult franchise was lowered from 21 to 18 years? The right answer is option B, 1988. Question number 22. The procedure for amendment of the Indian Constitution was borrowed from the right answer is option D, Constitution of South Africa. The question number 23. The state having the maximum number of seats in Rajya Sabha is? The right answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh had the maximum number of seats in Rajya Sabha. The question number 24. The constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly was? The right answer is option B, B.N. Rao. Then number 25. How many schedules are there in the Constitution of India? The answer is option D, 12.